about Coinbase today. So stock is 3.7% on Friday, March 15th. So why do I think that this stock is very expensive stock? And why do I think that this stock doesn't worth $58 billion? If you really think that $58 billion, this company worth $58 billion, and it's totally normal for a company to trade at 550 price to earnings ratio, or maybe even 700 price to earnings ratio, you should stay away from stock market. This stock is very, very overvalued. Does not matter what they do. 3 billion yearly annual total revenue, and they walked away with 94 million. Okay, and I'm going to compare it with another stock, which is right next to it, $58.6 billion company, Lululemon, which is, I'm not saying this is a cheap company, just pure comparison. This company's annual sales were 9 billion, income 1 billion, 10 times more income, PE 10 times less. Do the math. They make 10 times more money, but it's trading 10 times, at least 15 times lower price to earnings, despite the stock sitting at its near all-time highs, 461. Even if you bought Lululemon at these levels, at all-time highs, you would be buying a lot. You would not be overpaying as much as you would be overpaying for Coinbase. There's another example. I'm not saying that you should buy these stocks. By no means I'm not saying these stocks are undervalued. No. Look at FedEx. This is $63 billion company, which makes a lot more money, trades at 14 price to earnings ratio. I know they have debt and all that stuff. Coinbase is not profitable either. But at best, Coinbase, in my opinion, and I have made video about this name many times, ever since it has gone public. I have been short buys throughout all the way. I have called $30 price target, all-time lows, $31.55. And I have made a video right here that when it was sitting at 50 something levels, that it can break $100 on a crypto momentum. But right here, right now, too much. At best, $15-20 billion company at its best, but not 58 billion. So I think it's coming right back down to 100, maybe even below 100. But crypto craze is still there. I'm going to be watching these levels going forward on an ultra short-term basis. Implied volatility very high. Let's jump into the option activity. But first, levels, right? So this level of 280, I was watching as a resistance. 212 breakout level. We'll see. This can act as a support. 192, another support. 50-day moving average, 180-ish area at the moment. That's going to be another support I'm watching. But eventually, my target, where I made a 40% drop video, it's 50-day moving average. It is 50-day moving average, ultra short term. If it drops there, it will be down 35%. But I think that it can easily come down 60% back to its 200-day moving average, to 120-ish levels. But we will see how fast it's going to happen, because I'm 100% sure nobody will be trading BTC or crypto at this crazy levels, at this crazy hype levels as it is right now. Of course, it can report good earnings in the coming forward. In the next quarter or so, but it doesn't mean that it will keep shooting higher. It can, but it will be perfect short target. And I don't care about analyst upgrades, downgrades. I don't care. And I don't care about every other YouTuber, what they pump about this name or what they like about this name. My honest, objective view on this one is it is very expensive. There are many places money can go, but I don't think that this is cheap, nor close to cheap. This is super expensive. Again, these videos are not financial advice, purely for entertainment, educational purposes. I will see you in the next level. I didn't jump into options, but we'll take a look at it next time.